Welcome back, entrepreneurs. Today, we're going to discuss an important topic for anyone looking to start their own business, forming a limited liability company, or LLC, and obtaining an employer identification number, or EIN. Specifically, we'll focus on the process in the state of Minnesota. So, why should you consider starting an LLC in Minnesota, and how can you obtain an EIN? Let's dive in. First things first, let's talk about the benefits of starting an LLC in Minnesota. There are several advantages to choosing this business structure. Firstly, forming an LLC provides personal liability protection. This means that your personal assets are shielded from any liabilities or debts incurred by the business. This is a crucial benefit as it helps protect your personal finances and assets in the event of unforeseen circumstances. Secondly, an LLC offers flexibility in management and taxation. Unlike other business structures, an LLC allows you to choose how you want to be taxed, either as a sole proprietorship, partnership, S corporation, or C corporation. This flexibility allows you to optimize your tax strategy and potentially save money. Thirdly, an LLC has less administrative burden compared to a corporation. You'll have fewer formalities to adhere to, such as holding regular meetings or maintaining extensive records. This gives you more time and energy to focus on growing your business. Now that you understand the benefits of starting an LLC, let's move on to the step-by-step process of forming an LLC and obtaining an EIN in Minnesota. Step 1. Choose a name. Begin by selecting a unique name for your LLC. Make sure it complies with Minnesota's naming requirements. The name should include limited liability company or an appropriate abbreviation, such as LLC. Additionally, it should not be similar to or confused with existing businesses registered in the state. Step 2. Appoint a registered agent. A registered agent is an individual or business entity that receives legal documents, such as lawsuits or official correspondence, on behalf of your LLC. The registered agent must have a physical address in Minnesota and be available during business hours. Step 3. File Articles of Organization. Prepare and file the Articles of Organization with the Minnesota Secretary of State. This document includes information about your LLC, such as the name, registered agent details, and the purpose of the business. You can file the Articles of Organization online or by mail, along with the required filing fee. Step 4. Create an operating agreement. Although not mandatory in Minnesota, it's highly recommended to draft an operating agreement. This document outlines the ownership structure, management responsibilities, and operating procedures of your LLC. It helps ensure clarity and prevents disputes among members in the future. Step 5. Obtain an EIN. An Employer Identification Number, or EIN, is a unique 9-digit identifier assigned by the Internal Revenue Service, IRS, to your LLC. It's necessary for tax purposes, hiring employees, opening bank accounts, and more. To obtain an EIN, you can apply online through the IRS website or by mail using Form SS4. Step 6. Consider a state tax ID. Depending on your business activities, you might also need to obtain a state tax identification number from the Minnesota Department of Revenue. This number is required if you plan to sell taxable goods or services, hire employees, or have certain types of business licenses. Step 7. Obtain business licenses and permits. Check with the Minnesota Secretary of State and local authorities to determine if your LLC requires any specific licenses or permits to operate legally. Different industries and professions may have different requirements, so make sure to do thorough research. Step 8. Ensure compliance with ongoing requirements. Once your LLC is established, you'll need to fulfill certain ongoing obligations to maintain its good standing. This includes filing an annual report with the Minnesota Secretary of State, paying the necessary taxes, and renewing any required licenses or permits. Step 9. Seek professional advice. While the process of starting an LLC and obtaining an EIN in Minnesota might seem straightforward, it's always a good idea to seek professional advice from an attorney or a certified public accountant. They can guide you through the process, ensure compliance with regulations, and provide valuable insights tailored to your specific situation. Congratulations! By following these steps, you're well on your way to starting your own LLC and obtaining an EIN in Minnesota. Remember, forming an LLC provides personal liability protection, offers tax flexibility, and reduces administrative burden. Plus, obtaining an EIN is crucial for various business activities and compliance with the IRS. Starting a business can be an exciting and rewarding journey. Just make sure to do thorough research, seek professional advice when needed, and stay organized throughout the process. With dedication and perseverance, you can turn your entrepreneurial dreams into a successful reality. Best of luck with your LLC journey. If you are confused or consider these steps to be difficult, you can employ a professional formation service to file your LLC. Northwest Registered Agent is an amazing company that will guide you through creating your LLC. They even have a service where they will file your LLC for you without you going through any hassle. Watch the rest of the video, where I will show you how to form an LLC in under 1 minute through Northwest Registered Agent. The full review of Northwest Registered Agent is also given in the description down below. Starting an LLC? Let us show you how to do it in a right way. First thing first, the whole point of an LLC is to separate you and your business. That's what protects your finances and privacy. Start by appointing a registered agent. Your LLC official point of contact. Hiring a registered agent is a smart and affordable method to maximize privacy. Next, see if your name is available by checking your state business database. Now you are ready to file state paperwork. The average fee is around $100. Apply for a free EIN from IRS website. Having your tax ID in hand you'll make the rest steps easy. Put your LLC policy in writing with an operating agreement. Make it easy with free template like ours. Remember when we said LLC separates you and your business, that's why your LLC needs its own bank account. Your bank account does not do any good in empty, time for each member to contribute. Be prepared for annual files and fees like state reports and taxes. Check the link in the description below. Start your LLC with Northwest Registered Agent.